Welcome back to the channel, and once again we're gonna pass over the Shelby and we're gonna do some work to the F150 again. So I'm gonna do a factory tailgate assist for the F150, give it that soft drop with the tailgate. So I'm gonna go with the factory parts though. It installs behind the passenger rear brake light. So remove that, get the tailgate off, replace the bracket, hook up the shock, and that should be it. So here's the original Ford equipment, a new bracket and the shock that goes in behind the tail light. So we'll get this thing installed, see how it works. Now we'll go ahead and get this thing unbolted. We'll start with this light. I did unplug the harness on the back side of the bumper there. Get that thing out, just in case I want to remove the tailgate. So just makes it easier. Start off by taking these screws out on the inside. Get this tail light pulled off. You'll see a little ball right there. Right here is where that shock attaches to. So it's already set up for it. It's just an option, I guess, on different models. Removing the tailgate will give you some more room working to get that bracket out of there. Just pull these clips up. So that section up just a little, and you can pull that side out. Get these 50 bolts out of here. They're going to be tight. Got them both out. They are in there tight, that's for sure. And you'll see where that old one sat. It'll have, you know, the marks where it sat. So you want to try and get this thing in there, and you'll just line it up with the spot that was at. Tighten it back down. Not much to it. Now the old bracket was color matched, so it was painted. The new one's going to be black. So, not a big deal. Just get this thing matched up where it was at. Best you can, so everything lines up. Tighten it down. And that's on. So next what we'll do is we'll get this tailgate put back on. Tailgate back on. Hook up the shock. right down in there. So we got it. There we go. Tailgate got going, everything's tight. Make sure everything's lining up right. Look good there. Hook up this shock. So you'll get the angled end. We'll go to this little section up there, and the straight end will hook on to the bracket from the tailgate. So let's get that section first. Go ahead and lift this up, line it up, push it in. There we go. Everything's tight. Let's see how that works in there. Go ahead and back it off. See how it opens now. Nice. Just let it go. Works for me. And it's the original equipment, so it's hidden behind the light. Gives it a good look. Go ahead and get this light attached. Put the harness back in. And it never fails when I'm out here working on my cars. The neighbors are cutting the grass. Never fails. Lights tight. Keep the mat. That on the tailgate. And that's it. Nice soft open. And everything's hidden. So it was a nice quick job on the F150 Tailgate Assist. The original equipment on Ford goes in behind the passenger tail light. Everything's hidden, works great, happy with it. This is one more addition to the lead foot crew. Getting things done. So I want to thank everyone for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, subscribe for more upcoming content. Don't forget to hit the like button. And until next time, take care.